Are you missing the universe's whispers? Have you ever felt a gentle nudge, a subtle sign that you're not alone on this journey? The universe is constantly communicating with us, offering guidance and support. Are you ready to learn how to listen? One of the most common ways the universe speaks to us is through repeating numbers, often called angel numbers. These sequences, like 111, 222, 333, or 777, aren't random coincidences. They are gentle reminders that you're on the right path. When you see these numbers, pay attention to your thoughts and feelings. What were you thinking about just before you noticed the sequence? The universe is offering reassurance, validation, or a gentle nudge in a specific direction. Have you ever thought of someone and then suddenly received a call or message from them? Or perhaps you were considering a new opportunity and it magically appeared out of nowhere. These are synchronicities. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that demonstrate the universe is aligning things for you. They are breadcrumbs on your path, confirming that you're moving in harmony with your soul's purpose. Embrace these moments. Sometimes the universe rewards us with unexpected opportunities that seem almost too good to be true. These opportunities can manifest as a job offer, a financial breakthrough, or a new fulfilling relationship. When things seem to fall into place effortlessly, it's a sign that you're heading in the right direction. Don't dismiss these opportunities as mere luck. Recognize them as divine blessings guiding you forward. Your intuition is one of the most powerful tools you possess for receiving messages from the universe. It's that inner knowing, that gut feeling that guides you even when logic fails. If you feel an unexplained urge to take a particular action or conversely to avoid something, listen to that inner voice. Your intuition is the universe speaking directly to your soul. Sometimes, guidance from the universe comes in the form of challenges and obstacles. It might seem counterintuitive, but these difficulties can be powerful catalysts for growth and change. If a door unexpectedly closes, it might mean that something even better is on the way. Trust that the universe has a grander plan for you, even when you can't see it in the moment. The universe often communicates through the beauty and symbolism of nature. Pay attention to the animals, birds, and insects that cross your path. Each creature carries its own unique spiritual meaning. If you keep seeing the same type of bird, butterfly, or animal, research its symbolism. The universe might be using these creatures to deliver a specific message or offer guidance. When faced with a difficult choice, pay attention to your inner state after making a decision. If you suddenly feel a deep sense of peace and clarity, it's a sign that you're on the right track. This inner peace is the universe confirming that you're aligned with your highest good. Trust this feeling and move forward with confidence, knowing that you're supported. The universe is always guiding us, offering subtle signs and messages along our journey. The key is to learn how to pay attention, to trust your intuition, and to remain open to the possibilities. If you notice any of these signals in your life, trust the process and stay open to the messages you are receiving. Everything is happening for a reason, and the universe has your back. Are you ready to deepen your connection with the universe and unlock its hidden guidance? Start by journaling about the synchronicities and signs you've experienced in your life. Meditate daily to quiet your mind and listen to your intuition. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights and guidance. The universe is waiting to guide you. Are you ready to listen?